What's good, family? It's your guy right here, Kelvin Loops, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, those who are still new members on the channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification button below so you'll be notified next time I drop another video. So guys, today I've brought you a best broker in Africa to trade synthetic indices. Yeah, synthetic indices, right? So guys, if you have been trading the broker under Deriv, this is the best broker that is replacing Deriv, guys, because you trade synthetic indices. Boom and crash, they are also here on TemplerFX, but they're just called forex and risex. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to create an account under this broker. You can click the link down below. They have the link down below, so you can create an account. So the thing is, as you can see right here, the broker is this is the best broker, guys. This is the best broker, and as you can see right here. So guys, for those who are having some problems on withdrawal and deposits, I know some of you don't have Visa cards, right? That is not the problem. We also have agents on this broker. You can contact me on my phone number. The link my phone number is down below on the description. And also, if you want to log in or create your own account, the link is down below. So guys, the thing is, you go right here on members area, right? Members area, click. So I think my network is kind of low. Let us see. So the thing is, you create an account, right? You should create an account. No, guys, this place is for people who have already created the account. So the thing is, we should create an account first. Create an account first. So the thing is, you go where it says register now, right? And you're going to put your name, right? And I'm going to put Loops, right? That's my name. And as for your Gmail account, I'm going to put Loops FX Academy. As for phone number, yeah, this is a phone number you can contact, right, if you need an agent or having some problems. Guys, I hope you are going to watch this video till the end because we have a promotion. So if you're a person who wants to trade, like who want free lessons, and who is looking for free lessons, and who's looking for free signals, VIP signals, please watch this video till the end because we're doing a promotion. If you trade like with this broker, under this broker, we're going to offer you free lessons and free VIP lessons, but you should create an account under the link down below, and you can contact me with this phone number showing me the proof that you have created an account with this link, so we can put you in the VIP group. So I'm not a robot, and accept all of these things. You should read before you accept, right? Shit about TemplerFX broker, right? So open an account. What? Okay, I forgot to put at gmail.com, right? So let us open an account. So you should have an email. I think some of you know how to create an email account. So as for me, I am from Zimbabwe. I know some of you, a lot of you are from Zimbabwe, right? So name, so no, we don't need help. Name, full name, Loops, act like Kelvin Loops. That's my name. So email, self-expose. I already have an account, guys, but I just want to show you step by step how you can create an account. So let me put my phone number right here. 8. The thing is, guys, I don't know my phone number, so I'm looking for my phone number first. So the thing is, sales 78, what, 78, NADOC 78 116 3365. So should click this thing. I'm not a robot. So we're going to show you step by step, because you need to verify first before you use this broker, right? Hey, let me refresh this again. Let me copy this. Come on, man. Hey. So some of the times the network will be busy, but 78 116 3365, and an email, name, Kelvin Loops, right, and submit. So you're going to receive a code on your email. What phone number already exists? So my phone number already exists, so I'm going to get trying to get another phone number. So guys, I'm going to put another phone number, but this one 7 5 914 so submit. I think we're having, yeah. So they've sent the criticals to email TemplerFX Academy. So I've already logged in my email. As you can see right here, we have received the TemplerFX. So the TemplerFX, they will give you a password, right? A password. So a password and the login, the email. So the thing is, you go back again on TemplerFX. They will give you a password. You don't create your own password. They give you a password. That's the thing. It is different with other brokers. So if you have created, if they give you the password, right, you go to TemplerFX, to their main dashboard, and go to members area, right? If you go to members area, then you're going to put your email that you have created an account with. I'm just going to copy this. And then the password, you just copy the password. Copy the password. For those ones just to log in my account, you can log in. There's no money. This is just a demo account I'm going to create for you, showing you a sample. This is a sample account. So they're asking you for a PIN code. So the PIN code is at the Gmail. They send it on the Gmail account. So you see, even though you take my password, you also need my Gmail account password so you can receive the code. So the thing is, yeah, I think now we are in. You have done creating the account. Everything is good now. Everything will be cool now. So the thing is, the thing you'll be left with is to verify your address. No, like to verify your ID card. You feel me? To verify your ID. To verify like your ID. I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a demo account for currencies and the demo account for synthetic indices. Like you go to my TemplerFX, right? And you go to verification, right? So first is first, you need to verify the phone number first, right? Send a message to the phone number. So I should receive a message in my phone. You should like, so I've received a message in my phone. Right, we've been confirmed. So guys, I know some of you out there, they'll be saying like, I don't have an address, the place I'm staying is not my place, it's my, we are renting the place. So that thing doesn't matter. You can identify verification with your ID only. With your ID only. So the thing is date of birth. Nah, this is not like, you can put your date of birth and your country. I'm not going to put my date of birth. Your country, my country is Zimbabwe, and gender, I'm a male. And as for people who are in Zimbabwe, postcode, it is 0000. You feel me? So city and town, Harare. As for me, I'm in Harare, right? And address, you put your address, the place that you're staying, and you'll be good. If you verify this, and verify this, you're going to go to another stage where it says verify your ID. So you should take a picture of your ID at the front and the back. You feel me? The front and the back. If you have done right here, they're going to ask you for ID verification, front and the back. So if you have taken the pictures of your ID at the front and your back, you're going to take some time, and they're going to send you an email on your Gmail account, right? So they're going to send you a message, but first you should verify by putting your pictures on the front, on your back. That's all, guys, and you'll be done. So guys, I think we're done right here. For those who be like, want to create an accounts, you can go to accounts right here, but they need you to verify my ID first. So I've already verified my ID, you feel me? So I'm going to show you with my real account with another video. So I hope you have subscribed to the channel and turn on the notification button below. So for those who want to hear the promotion is, you can create the account under this broker. Create an account under this broker for those who want to learn forex, or for those who want to create to have VIP signals, just for 1 month. Click the link down below and create an account, and contact me on my phone number down below, is on the description, and show me some proof, and we can do the deal. For those who want deposits and withdrawals, guys, everything is good. Contact the number below, then we can talk. Thank you guys for watching this video. Peace out.